Imagine your question to be in the middle of the conversation. That's the important thing. You want to have an answer on your question. Now imagine the other person continues discussing about something else or gives an answer which is a little bit out of space. What you then do is you acknowledge what he says, for example, by saying, I've heard what you're saying, or by saying, well, it's an important point. And my question was, so you repeat your question and give the other person kind of a second chance to respond to your question. If the person does the same thing again, you as well, you do the same thing again by acknowledging what he says and taking him back to the question and repeating it. Maybe you do this a third time. If you would continue like that, obviously you would kind of draw an imaginary flower. That's why it's called a flower strategy. So, however, I would not recommend to do it more than maybe 3 times, because the other person, if he is not able to give you an answer after 3 times, he won't be able to give it after 5 times, and the discussion will not get any better. So after 3 times, you should actually change the strategy, for example, by saying, listen, this is an important question for me. I need an answer. So why don't you take like 5 minutes time, think about it, and then I'll come back and we'll rediscuss it.